ginagawa mo sa office ko? Bakit mo binuksan ang vault ko? Who gave you the permission para pakialaman ang mga gamit ko, Astrid?
Gusto ko lang malaman ng totoo, Olive.
Truth about what?
I didn't want to do this. Ayokong pakialaman ang private life mo. But as your friend and employee, I respect your boundaries. Pero may mga naririnig ako that's starting to worry me, Olive. About Mookie.
What about Mookie?
Alam kong pinasok mo siya sa St. Agnes Children's Hospital.
How did you know about that?
It doesn't matter. Pero yung medical report na to proves na walang sakit si Mookie. Na she's actually a healthy kid.
These documents don't mean anything. 10 years ago na ang mga to.
Sabi mo, bata pa lang si Mookie. May sakit na siya. Kung 10 years ago yung medical report niyan, ibig sabihin nagsisinungaling ka before?
Astrid, don't get my words twisted. Alam ko ang medical history ng anak ko.
Bakit mo siya pinull out sa hospital?
Because the doctors were wrong! Ayaw nilang maniwala sa akin na may sakit ang anak ko!
Totoo ba, Olive?
What do you mean?
Talaga bang may sakit si Mookie o gawa-gawa mo lang lahat?